Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to customize your brand's button styles so that your buttons remain consistent and according to your branding. Let's get started. Go to brand at the top and here go to buttons. Here you should see your button sets. Your primary buttons, secondary buttons, and tertiary buttons. Select which set you want to work on. And from here, you should be able to customize your button's appearance using the tools available. Also, on this drop-down, select the part of the button you want to work on first and customize its settings below. Let's say, for example, let's start with the button itself. So for this, you can change your button's fill color and make sure that it's according to your branding. And as you work on it, by the way, you should see the changes take effect in real time. So apart from that, you can add borders to your button, adjust its corner rounding, add a shadow to it if you want to, and adjust your shadow's blur and size. I'm just gonna have this turned off. You can also adjust its spacing and layout. And once you're done working with that, switch to your text. And for your text, you can change its fill color and also change its font and font size, font color, etc. So go ahead and customize your button however you want to. Once you're done, you can go back and the changes will automatically be saved within the Wix editor. And there you have it. So basically, just repeat the process when you want to work on your other button sets right here. That's all for today. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.